Retrieving iPad emails from a backup file.
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at whether it's possible to retrieve iPad emails from a backup file, and if so, how to go about it. Let's dive in.
Can you retrieve iPad emails from a backup file?
The answer to this is a little complex. Emails on your iPad are not typically stored on the device itself. Rather, they are stored on your email provider servers and are accessed through the Mail app on your iPad. This means emails themselves are not included in an iPad backup, whether it's a backup via iTunes or iCloud. However, if you had an email account set up on your iPad that isn't there anymore, the backup might contain the settings for that email account.
Restoring email settings from a backup.
While emails aren't stored in the backup, the email account settings are. If you've lost an email account and you have a backup from when that email account was active, you can restore the backup to your iPad. Here's how you do it. 1. Erase your iPad. This can be done from the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. Make sure you have a backup before doing this. 2. Restore your iPad from the backup. After your iPad has been erased, it will restart. Follow the on-screen steps until you reach the Apps and Data screen, then choose the Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from iTunes Backup option. 3. Enter your Apple ID and password. This should be the same one you used to create the backup. 4. Choose the backup. You'll see a list of available backups. Look at the dates and sizes of the backups and choose the one that has your email account. After the restoration process is complete, your email account should be back on your device.
What if I can't retrieve emails from a backup?
If you're not able to retrieve your emails using a backup, you still have some options. 1. Log into your email account. You can log into your email account through the Mail app or through a web browser. This will give you access to your emails as they are stored on the server, not on the device itself. 2. Contact your email provider. If you can't access your email provider may be able to restore them. That wraps up our discussion on retrieving iPad emails from a backup. While the emails themselves aren't stored in the backup, the settings for your email accounts are. If you've lost emails, it's best to check directly with your email provider as they might have backups of your emails. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.